56 feet long and 78 feet wide. Owned and managed by Vietnam International Limited. This vessel was built in 2021. The maximum cargo capacity is 20,763 tons, and this vessel is registered in the Marshall Islands. Once it is secured, the lock will be raised 21 feet to the upper St. Mary's River or Lake Superior level. Once the lower gates close and the filling valves are open, she will be raised approximately 1 foot per minute. Before it leaves the lock, you will see the upper gates open, the ship master will be lifted, and the ship will blow its horn 1 time. Today they are on their way to Thunder Bay. The power lock was completed in 1968. It is 1,200 feet long and 110 feet wide. It was named for General Orlando M. Pope, who served as a Detroit district engineer in the 19th century. The Pearl is the largest navigation lock on the Great Lakes, and the number one capable of knocking through the biggest of the Great Lake vessels. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about how the locks work or about Great Lake shipping, stop in and see us in the Visitor Center. Thank you for visiting and have a great day.